SABA stands for a strong bond. It is the foundation for how we develop and produce our products and how we deal with the world around us. Together with our partners, we are working on a sustainable bond. We are making steps to more sustainable offices and production. In our new headquarters, we meet most of our own energy needs. The SABA head office is energy neutral, and for our production, we largely supply our own energy. But that's not all. We are continuously monitoring and evaluating our value chain and implement smart measures where and when possible. We want to partner with our customers in their quest to making more sustainable products without sacrificing quality or comfort. We admit that most of the adhesives used in our industry are not really sustainable. That is why we are introducing the world's first bio-based rollable adhesive for mattress production, the adhesive for mattresses with edge-to-edge pocket coils. In doing so, we reduce the use of virgin fossil-based materials. These steps contribute to a more sustainable future and are small steps to reduce our carbon footprint and the footprint of our customers. We would like to collaborate with you to take the next steps. Together with you, we are on our way to a sustainable bond.